If you have ever tried building a real story or a serious project using AI video tools, you know the absolute frustration of dealing with 5 to 10-second clip limits, shifting character faces, and broken motion. You get one cool short clip, but the moment you try to extend it or bring in multiple characters, the whole thing falls apart. The clip you saw at the start of this video was generated in one single shot using a single image and a prompt, giving us a fully fleshed out 30-second scene. Today, we're putting the latest Seedance 2.5 model through some brutal real-world testing to see if it actually holds up as a production-ready video tool, alongside two other major releases in the Seed ecosystem, Seed Audio 1.0 and Seedream 5.0 Pro. Before we jump into the dashboard, let's clear up how you can actually get your hands on these models. These Seed models can be experienced on Lumina, the model experience platform on BytePlus. If you are a creator or just want to test things out visually, Lumina is where you go. For enterprises and developers, the models can be accessed via API through BytePlus. BytePlus is the official platform for access, giving you a clean space to experiment or deploy at scale. Let us kick off with our primary focus, Seedance 2.5. I want to test how this model handles complex multi-scene prompts and shot consistency. Over in the Lumina interface, you can see Seedance 2.5 is selected by default. We have options for aspect ratio and resolution, so I'm setting this to 16:9, 720p, and cranking the duration all the way up to 30 seconds. In the prompt box, I'm dropping a pretty detailed dark fantasy narrative prompt. I'm laying out the entire scene arc, setting timestamps for different shot transitions, and requesting specific lighting. To keep our visual host locked in, I'm picking a reference image of our Bigfoot character right from the material library. Let's hit generate and see how the queue handles it. Looking at this output, that's pretty insane for a single render. What makes Seedance 2.5 impressive here isn't just the visual fidelity, but how it handles narrative pacing over half a minute. When you can generate 30 seconds at a time, you can actually tell a story. You can extend that clip continuously, stacking 30-second blocks into a full 1-minute or 2-minute video while maintaining solid character structure throughout. Next, let's see if we can push this model to build a fast-paced product commercial. I'm setting up a 30-second ad draft for our AIQUEST brand using that same Bigfoot reference image. In the prompt, I'm adding explicit directions for audio pacing, sound effects like running footsteps, background music, and a voiceover script across the 30 seconds. We'll keep it to 16:9, 720p, 30 seconds, and send it off to generate.
For centuries, raw power was kept in the dark, bound by old rules, trapped by physical limits. But true evolution cannot be contained. Break every boundary, shatter every expectation. AIQUEST, the next frontier of creation.
The model hit almost every structural cue we asked for. The background sound effects kicked in right when that person starts moving, and the audio syncs up with the visual flow without needing 3 different third-party plugins. Now, to get legendary results here, you do need to approach prompting with a director's mindset. If a transition feels slightly off, refining your camera cues makes all the difference. But the fact that Seedance 2.5 processes up to 50 reference inputs across audio, video, and images directly in one workflow means you don't need complex multi-step AI agents planning every single asset separately. Now let's try multi-reference control. I want to see how Seedance 2.5 handles multiple character inputs, precise motion transfer, and custom audio tracks all at once. In the material library, I'm selecting 5 distinct assets, 3 individual female character photos, a reference video of 3 people dancing to lock in exact body movements, and an audio file containing a song track. Inside the prompt box, you can tag each asset using the @ symbol. I'm tagging Image 1, Image 2, Image 3, Video 1, and Audio 1 directly into the text. But here's the real stress test. In the original reference video, the person with silver hair is standing on the far left. In my prompt, I explicitly tell the model to put that silver-haired person on the far right instead, while still sticking 100% to the exact dance movements from the video clip. Since our reference video and audio are both 15 seconds, I'm setting the render duration to 15 seconds and hitting Generate. Take a look at this output side by side with the original reference files.
Movement on the edge, electric flow. Catch the fire, watch us go. Feel the rhythm in it, electric go. No limits, no control. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Left side, right side.
That's mind-boggling. The model didn't just do a cheap copy-paste motion capture, it recognized the character details from each of the 3 photos, kept their facial features completely consistent, applied the exact dance moves from the video clip, synced the timing to the audio track, and swapped the character positions exactly as requested. That silver-haired person moved to the right side seamlessly. This turns Seedance 2.5 from a simple text-to-video generator into a legit, highly controllable production pipeline. Moving on to our secondary focus, let's take a look at Seed Audio 1.0. Don't mistake this for just another basic text-to-speech tool. This is a complete audio scene generation model that lets you build full environmental soundscapes, multi-character dialogue, and emotional audio performances in one shot. For our first test, I'm putting in a single speaker narrative prompt. I'm setting the voice profile to a terrified male tone and asking for heavy environmental audio, loud echoing footsteps running down a metal hallway, warning sirens blaring, a massive steel door slamming open, electrical sparks, and underlying dramatic music. Let's listen to what it generated.
They told us the containment system was fail-proof. They lied! It's breaking through the lower levels. If I don't initiate the lockdown now, nothing is going to survive this. System override! Come on! Accept the command! I only have 10 seconds before it reaches this floor!
Holy smoke, that sound design hits hard. The echo on the footsteps matches the metallic atmosphere perfectly. The emotional strain in the voice feels genuine rather than robotic, and the sound effects land right on cue without overpowering the speech. Let's try a 2-person dialogue test next. I'm entering a script with 2 distinct speakers, a panicked female voice and a grounded male voice, layered with surrounding ambient noise and background music. Seed Audio 1.0 also supports uploading up to 3 audio reference clips for voice cloning or specific custom sounds if you want exact voice matching. Let's check the result.
Hold the line! If that shield drops for even a second, the entire colony freezes! Reroute the power now!
I can't! The main reactor is completely dead! We have to evacuate before the ice crushes the hull!
Nobody is leaving! Do you hear me? Grab those plasma charges and help me blast that door open! We are finishing this right now!
Hearing those two voices interact with proper emotional depth, natural pauses, and embedded scene atmosphere shows how capable Seed Audio 1.0 is. It moves past simple voiceover generation and acts like a full sound design suite for faceless channels, storytellers, and game creators. Finally, let's examine the visual support layer in this stack, Seedream 5.0 Pro. This image generation model is built to compete directly with high-end visual generators, with a heavy emphasis on commercial design, precise text rendering, and deep layout control. Over on the showcase documentation, you can see how Seedream 5.0 Pro handles complex structural prompts. In one example of a sports car, the model cleanly isolates every internal component, generating precise labels, call-out arrows, and multi-angle views without slurring the text into unreadable gibberish. Another cool feature is direct image-based editing. You can take an existing room photo, write natural text instructions directly over it, like changing the sofa color, altering curtain shades, or removing a table, and the model updates those specific elements while preserving the rest of the room. Even cooler for visual creators is its layer separation capability. You can feed Seedream 5.0 Pro a single flattened image like a magazine cover photo of a parrot, and the model will split the elements into distinct transparent PNG layers. This allows you to hide, resize, or edit individual visual elements directly, giving you the kind of precise control usually reserved for manual graphic design work. When you combine these three models, you start to see how a full AI creation stack comes together. Seedance 2.5 handles the heavy lifting for video consistency and complex multi-asset motion. Seed Audio 1.0 builds rich environmental soundscapes, and Seedream 5.0 Pro provides clean, editable visual assets for thumbnails or commercial designs. As a reminder, these Seed models can be experienced on Lumina, the model experience platform on BytePlus. For enterprises and developers, the models can be accessed via API through BytePlus. I've placed the official Lumina experience link right down in the description box below, so you can jump in and try testing them out for yourself. I want to hear from you down in the comments. Which of these three tools would make the biggest impact on your current workflow? The 30-second multi-reference video generation in Seedance 2.5 or the full audio scene building in Seed Audio 1.0? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown, and I'll see you in the next video.